folks. So let's take a look at an updated position, I suppose, on the insulation on the van. But all right, so let's take a look now. What you can see, Sharon has put the closed cell insulation against the metal surfaces, and then we've used rock wool safe and sound insulation, which is a natural product. It's made of stone, ground up stone, and some other eco stuff. So yeah, filled all the holes here. We got a couple of holes here, down there, and a big open section down here that we got to fill up. So that'll be kind of pushing stuff in there and trying to get that kind of insulated and packed together. So yeah, it's and the ceiling's done as well. So everything that has got a metal surface has been pretty much covered with this stuff. Now, you know, is it over the top? I don't know, but like when you go online and you see everybody else's camper van conversions and all the comments come on, there's so many misleading comments on there. So we thought we'd do it anyway, you know, because if you do make a mess, then you've got to rip it all out again, and I really don't want to do that. And here in Ontario, our summers are really, really hot and our winters are really, really cold. So you're best off doing it in the first place, you know, and getting it right. But yeah, so installation done for the most part. We'll get to put in the plywood against the walls and stuff like that soon. Hello. All right, so there is there's the aluminum insulation and that glued to the wall. It's got some tuck tape on just to get to the seams, but as you notice, you'll see that it's she's actually put it inside the little holes along the frame there, and a little bit more down there. So yeah, luckily, and each one of those we're going to put in Roxol safe and sound insulation, and that should hopefully keep the noise down from inside to outside and outside to inside, something like that. So yeah, that's stage one. And so we got to do the other side now on the roof. So it's a lengthy process. That glue did not turn out as best as we thought it would. Let's just take a look at it. So there's the it's Gorilla Glue spray adhesive heavy duty. It's very good. It sticks well, but it's a little bit tricky getting it out of the top of the can, eh? When you get about halfway down, your finger starts sticking on the top and it starts to clog in the hole. We're going to try and look for something that you can kind of roll on, which will be a lot easier to do. Like I say, this stuff does work well, but it's messy, it's a pain in the butt, and it does slow you down. So if you haven't got a lot to do, then I would go with this. But like if you're doing a whole van, try and look for something else. Like the glue itself is good. If you can get it in a roll-on, that'll be much better. So yeah, that's the glue.
So today is going to be quite a big day. So we've got a lot of the insulation done. It's not totally finished, but we're going to put the air conditioning unit in today so that we can actually finish up the insulation, as we've left some holes so that we can do that first. And this is our one nice day over the weekend. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain, so hopefully we can get this done today and it won't be a problem, and then we can go on to finishing the rest of the insulation tomorrow maybe.
Okay, for those of you wondering what rock wool is, if you're not in North America, this is it might be available everywhere else, but this is rock wool safe and sound, and it comes in bricks, 2x4s, bats, 12 of them, coverage 57 square feet. So we got 3 bags. We probably have a little too much, but hey. So here's a few photographs of the process where we went from a non-insulated van to a pretty much partially insulated van. So the concept behind the whole insulation thing is not exactly to keep you warm, that closed cell stuff, although I suppose it does help. What it's actually designed for is the amount of condensation that you get living in the van will build up, and the cold surfaces of the metal will attract all the moisture. Now, if you've got cupboards and furniture and everything inside and you haven't done it, that moisture will accumulate behind those cupboards or furniture, and it will get attracted to the bare metal, and then it has nowhere to go. So what happens is you end up with moisture behind everything, and it slowly starts to leach out into either the boards that you put on the side of the walls and the floor, or it will go into the actual frame of the van and start to rust it away. And then after a couple of years, you'll find that you've got mold and you've got rot and you've got a pretty nasty situation behind there. So that's the concept of the glue-on insulation. Now, we went for an insulation with a 5mm rubber insert between the two surfaces of the aluminum, and it's available on Amazon. It is pretty expensive. Like it was about $300, I think, to buy the product that we got, and then to glue it on. So yeah, we're about $300 into that closed cell insulation. Now, we did the walls and we did the floor, and hopefully everything should be done. Now, I didn't do the ribs on the top, the strengthening ribs on the top, because we have to put some wood onto those, and also you need some air circulation too, so I left those open for air circulation. So yeah, hopefully that answers anybody's questions. Thanks. Please like and subscribe.